I'm Josh from Vacuums R Us in Colorado, and today I'm going to talk about this mysterious spring that's inside of Shark Powerheads. A lot of you have been following our videos, doing micro switch replacements and hose replacements, and we've been getting a lot of contacts. People have a random spring, they can't figure out where it goes.
All right, before we start this repair, disclaimer time. This video is for informational purposes only. These repairs should only be done by factory authorized technicians in vacuum stores. If something goes wrong here, I am not responsible for any issues that might arise. If the vacuum becomes sentient and eats your cat, not our problem. Seriously though, watch the entire video. A lot of these repairs are very difficult. Make sure you're confident in performing this repair before you start, because the last thing in the world you want to do is take this machine apart and then bring it into a repair shop because you couldn't complete the repair. Many repair shops, like ours, will not accept machines once they've been messed around with. So make sure you can do this before you start, because you're in it to win it.
This is one of the machines that has a spring. The spring is in here right now. What happens is you take the lid off and the spring goes flying, and then you can't figure out where it was to begin with. So this right here is the spring in question. And they look like that. What it is, it's an assist spring. It takes some of the tension off the machine when you lift it up, because the upper part of the machine is heavy. And they actually go right in here. This little nub right here slides right in there. And then the spring is it's gonna act to create tension. When this comes up, it helps to support it. It's got a notch right there it goes into. And that's where the mysterious spring goes. Hopefully this helps. At the very least, we'll have a video that we can send to the dozens of people who go, I started watching your video and took it apart and lost a spring.